We often take them for granted, those four black circles connecting our cars to the road. But car tires are marvels of engineering, designed to withstand incredible forces and keep us safe at high speeds. Have you ever wondered how these unsung heroes are created? Let's explore with AZ Technology how to produce a car tire. We're about to take a fascinating journey from raw materials to road-ready rubber. From sticky, gooey sap to the robust tires we see every day, the transformation is remarkable. It's a process that marries nature's bounty with cutting-edge technology. So let's get our hands dirty, shall we? Time to explore the intricate world of tire manufacturing. Our journey starts far from the open road, deep within tropical forests where rubber trees thrive. These trees hold the key ingredient, natural rubber. Farmers carefully tap these trees, collecting the milky white sap known as latex. This latex is then processed, removing impurities and creating usable rubber. But wait, there's more. Tire manufacturers also use synthetic rubber, a man-made material with specific properties. Both natural and synthetic rubber are shipped to tire factories, ready for the next stage of their transformation. Imagine giant bales of rubber arriving by the truckload, ready to be sculpted into tires. Now things start to heat up. The rubber is mixed with other ingredients like carbon black, sulfur, and anti-aging agents. This creates a blend with the perfect properties for tire production. Think of it like baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, we're using chemicals and rubber. This rubber mixture, now called a compound, is then fed into massive machines that shape it. Under intense heat and pressure, the compound is molded into the basic tire shape. It's like watching a giant waffle iron press out tires, only much more complex and precise. Building a tire layer by layer. Here's where the tire really starts to take shape. Remember those different parts of a tire you learned about in driver's ed? Well, they're not just stuck together with glue. Each component, from the steel belts to the sidewalls, is carefully layered onto the molded rubber. These layers are then fused together in a process called vulcanization. Imagine a giant oven baking the tire, causing the rubber to bond and solidify. This creates a strong, durable structure that can withstand the stresses of the road. The gauntlet of quality control. You wouldn't want a faulty tire on your car, would you? That's where quality control comes in. Each tire goes through rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest safety standards. Think of it as a boot camp for tires. Machines scan for imperfections, air pressure is tested, and some tires even undergo simulated road tests. It's like a scene from a spy movie, with lasers and high-speed cameras ensuring every tire is up to snuff. Only the best make it to the next stage. Ready to roll. Packaging and shipping. The tires, having passed their rigorous exams, are prepped for their journey to your local tire shop. They are meticulously labeled with all the important information like size, speed rating, and tread pattern. It's like giving each tire its own passport. Finally, the tires are carefully packaged and loaded onto trucks or shipping containers. They're ready to be shipped all over the world, from bustling cities to remote villages, all eager to hit the open road. It's like a global tire party, and everyone's invited. So there you have it, the fascinating journey of a car tire. From humble rubber trees to the high-tech factories, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending quest for safer, more efficient travel. Next time you're behind the wheel, take a moment to appreciate those four black circles beneath you. They've been on quite a ride to get you there. Thank you for joining me on this rubber adventure. Continue to discover interesting things about technology in the following videos from AZ Technology.